In this video, I'm going to show you how to use generative AI in Grammarly to quickly improve your writing with just a few clicks. Whether you want to make your text more professional, clearer, shorter, or more confident, Grammarly's AI tools can help you edit faster and write better. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Now, let's get started. First, open the document or text box where you're writing in Grammarly. This could be inside Grammarly's editor, the browser extension, or another supported writing area. Once your text is on the screen, highlight the specific part you want to change. This is important because Grammarly's Generative API works on selected text, so you want to make sure you only highlight the sentence, paragraph, or section you want help with. After you highlight the text, look for the AI icon. It looks like a light bulb. Click that icon to open Grammarly's Generative AI options. This is where you'll find quick rewrite suggestions and custom AI prompts designed to help you transform your writing instantly. Now you'll see a list of preset prompt options. These are ready-made suggestions that make it simple to get started fast. For example, you may see options like make it more professional, improve it, or sound confident. If your writing needs a cleaner and more polished tone, choose make it more professional. If you just want the text to read better overall, choose improve it. And if you want your writing to feel stronger and more assertive, sound confident is a great choice. Once you click a preset, Grammarly will generate a new version of your selected text. Take a moment to review the result carefully. Make sure it matches the tone and meaning you want. If it looks good, you can continue with it. If not, you can try a different preset or adjust your wording before inserting it. If none of the preset options fit exactly what you need, you can also type your own custom instruction. Look for the field that says "Tell us to" and enter a specific prompt. For example, you could type, make this simpler and shorter. You could also ask Grammarly to make the text more engaging, more persuasive, or easier for beginners to understand. The more specific your instruction is, the better the result usually is. After you enter your custom prompt, Grammarly will generate a rewrite based on your request. Again, review the output to make sure it sounds right for your content. This step is especially useful when you want more control over the final version instead of relying only on preset options. When you're happy with the rewritten text, click Insert. This adds the AI-generated version into your document and replaces the original selected text. At this point, you can continue editing, keep writing, or move on to another section of your document and repeat the process. And that's how to use generative AI in Grammarly. It's a fast, simple way to improve your writing, save time, and create better sounding content without starting over. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.